Hello friends, today we start the chapter 3, pair of linear equation in two variable, exercise 3.3, question number 1. Solve the following pair of linear equation by substitution method. यहाँ पे जो इक्वेशन दिया है उसको हमें सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड से सॉल्व करना है. ओके, प्लीज सी हियर सॉल्यूशन ऑफ फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. First question is x plus y is equal to 14 and another equation is x minus y is equal to 4. हमें सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड से x और y की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. फर्स्ट हियर x plus y is equal to 14, this is equation 1, and x minus y is equal to 4, this is equation 2. First, any one equation we select to convert in x form, otherwise y form. So I select a equation number 2. Here x minus y is equal to 4. This equation convert into y form. Therefore x is equal to y plus 4. That is the substitution value of x. ये हमने सेकंड इक्वेशन से x की वैल्यू फाइंड की है, तो ये वैल्यू हम फर्स्ट इक्वेशन में सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे. So therefore x plus y is equal to 14. Substitute x is equal to y plus 4 in equation 1. x की जगह हम क्या रखेंगे वैल्यू y plus 4. Therefore y plus 4, x is equal to y plus 4, x is equal to y plus 4, y as it is, that is equal to 14. y plus y, that is equal to 2y, is equal to 14 minus 4. Therefore 2y is equal to 14 minus 4, that is equal to 10. Therefore y is equal to 10 divided by 2. Therefore y is equal to positive value 5. 2 5s are 10. तो हमें y की वैल्यू फाइंड हो गई. y is equal to 5 in any equation, equation 1, either equation 2, otherwise x is equal to y plus 4. बट इसमें रखने से हमें आंसर जल्दी मिल सकता है. Therefore x is equal to y plus 4. Substitute y is equal to 5. Therefore x is equal to 5 plus 4. Therefore x is equal to 9. Therefore final answer xy is equal to x is equal to 9 and y is equal to 5. Therefore the solution of equation x plus y is equal to 14 and x minus y is equal to 4. Therefore x is equal to 9 and y is equal to 4. We check this answer. 9 plus 5, that is equal to 14. Yes. And 9 minus 5, that is equal to 4. Yes. Therefore the answer is correct. Okay. Second question. S minus t is equal to 3 and s by 3 plus t by 2 is equal to 6. Here, so first equation, s minus t is equal to 3, that is equation 1, and another equation s by 3 plus t by 2, that is equal to 6. First we take the LCM of this equation. Therefore 2s plus 3t divided by 6 is equal to 6. Therefore 2s plus 3t, 6 is 36, that is equation 2. है दो इक्वेशन हमारे पास s और t वेरिएबल में आ गए, तो हम फर्स्ट इक्वेशन इज वेरी इजीएस्ट टू कन्वर्ट इन t फॉर्म. देयरफॉर s minus t is equal to 3. therefore s is equal to t plus the transpose. तो फर्स्ट इक्वेशन से हमने s की वैल्यू फाइंड की. सब्स्टिट्यूट s is equal to t plus 3 in equation number 2. therefore 2s plus 3t is equal to 36. Substitute s is equal to t plus 3. 2s means t plus 3 plus 3t is equal to 36. Therefore 2t, simplify this equation. 2t plus 6 plus 3t is equal to 36. 2t plus 3t, that is equal to 5t. 36 minus 6, 5t is equal to 30. Therefore t is equal to 30 divide 5. Therefore t is equal to 6. And find the value of t is equal to 6. substitute in s is equal to t plus 3. S is equal to t plus 3. Substitute t is equal to 2. T is equal to 6. Okay. Therefore, s is equal to 6 plus 3. That is s is equal to 9. Therefore, the final equation st, final solution of this equation st is equal to s is equal to 9 and t is equal to 6. 9 minus 6, that is equal to 3. 9 by 3, that is equal to 3. 6 by 2, that is equal to 3. 3 plus 3, that is equal to 6. Therefore, the final solution st is equal to 9, 6. Okay. Question number 3. 3x minus y is equal to 3. 9x minus 3y is equal to 3. Solution. First equation, 3x minus y is equal to 3, equation 1, and 9x minus 3y is equal to 9, equation number 2. We select equation first, y convert into x form. 3x minus y is equal to t. Y and 3 transposing, therefore y is equal to 3x plus 3. Substitute value of y in another equation, means equation number 2. 9x minus 3y is equal to 9. Substitute y is equal to 3x plus 3. y की जगह हम क्या वैल्यू रखेंगे? 3x plus 3. Therefore 9x minus 3 y, that means 3x plus 3, that is equal to 9. Simplify this equation. 9x minus 9x minus 9, that is equal to 3x minus 3. 3x y, 3x minus 3, this equation. Value of y is equal to 3x minus 3. Therefore, minus minus plus 9, that is equal to 9. Both 9x cut. Therefore, 9 is equal to 9. Both sides, both equations are equal. That means here ratio of first equation and second equation, a1 by e2 is also 1 by 3. b1 by b2 is also 1 by 3. And c1 by c2 is also 1 by 3. Therefore, they have infinitely many solutions. Therefore, these equations are infinitely many solutions. Therefore, the solution set x1 for any equation 3x minus y is equal to 3, and x and y both are real number. That is the solution of the equation. कोई भी equation हम solution में रख सकते हैं. Therefore, curly bracket x y were 3x minus y is equal to 3, and x and y both are real numbers. मैंने equation first लिखा है, यहाँ पे equation second भी हम लिख सकते हैं. Okay. Question number 4. Solution. 0.2x plus 0.3y is equal to 1.3, and 0.4x plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. Both equations we multiply by 10. Okay. 0.2x plus 0.3y is equal to 1.3, equation 1, and 0.4x plus 0.5y is equal to equation 2 is equal to 2.3. Equation 1 and 2 multiply by 10. We have 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करने से ये डेसिमल पॉइंट निकल जाएंगे. Therefore, the equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. Equation number 3, and that one 4x plus 5y is equal to 23. ओके, तो ये इक्वेशन हमारे क्या हो गया? इजीएस्ट वे में हमने कन्वर्ट कर दिया है. Therefore, any equation convert in first we select equation number first, convert in x form, that is equal to 2x is equal to 13 minus 3y. Therefore, x is equal to 13 minus 3y divided by 2. In the first equation से third equation से x की वैल्यू सुधा की हमने सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है फोर्थ इक्वेशन में. ओके. Therefore, 4x plus 5y is equal to 23. substitute x is equal to 13 minus 3y divided by 2. Therefore 4x is equal to 13 minus 3y whole divided by 2 plus 5y is equal to 20 plus 5y is equal to 23. 2 2s are 4. 2 multiply with this 26 minus 3 2s are 6y plus 5y is equal to 23. Minus 6y plus 5y that is equal to minus y. 23 minus 26 that is equal to negative 3. Negative y is equal to negative 3. Therefore y is equal to positive 3. Substitute y is equal to 3 in this equation. 13 minus 3y divided by 2. Substitute y is equal to 3. Therefore x is equal to 13 minus 3 into 3 divided by 2. 13 minus 9 divided by 2. That is equal to 4 by 2. Therefore final answer x is equal to 2. Therefore solution of this equation x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. There is the solution of the equation. Okay friends, thank you.